In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Meet filters if you're looking to add a bit of flair or simply make your online meetings more engaging. Then Google Meet filters are the way to go. Whether you're working from home, attending an online class, or catching up with friends, these filters can help lighten the mood and add a fun touch to your conversations. Let's walk through the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to open up Google Meet and join a meeting. It could be a new meeting or an existing one. It really doesn't matter. Once you're in the meeting, look for the small video icon. It's typically located towards the bottom or the top right of your Google Meet screen, represented by a simple, recognizable camera symbol. Clicking this will launch a variety of video settings and effects that we can explore. Next, you'll want to navigate to the background and effects options. This is where the magic happens. A menu should pop up, showing different ways you can customize your video feed. This is more than just fun. It's incredibly useful for maintaining privacy, hiding a messy room, or just keeping things professional in your work meetings. From the list that appears, find the option labeled Filter. This section is dedicated to offering you a range of different filters to apply to your video. Filters are different from background effects. While background effects generally alter your entire setting, filters adjust the visuals directly to your video, adding elements like color changes, masks, or fun props. Once you're in the filter section, you'll see a host of creative options laid out for you. Take your time to scroll through the available choices. Choosing a filter is simple. Just click on the one that suits your mood or the vibe you're aiming for in the meeting. A simple click will apply it instantly, giving you a real-time preview right away. Done correctly, you should see your video transform with a new tone or style immediately. Remember, you can always change filters as often as you like throughout your meeting, so feel free to play around with them until you find the perfect match. While using Google Meet filters is all about fun, keep in mind the context of your meeting. What might be fun for a casual catch-up might not be appropriate for a professional setting. Always balance the tone according to your meeting type and the attendees involved. So, there you have it. A quick guide on how to use Google Meet filters to spice up your online meetings. Whether it's adding a little more personality to your appearance or brightening up the group's mood, these filters are a fantastic way to express yourself. Don't hesitate to explore and enjoy.